Hi, welcome to Brainybuzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the JavaScript tutorial. So far we have seen what is the JavaScript and what is the tag that is used to write the JavaScript. JavaScript is basically a programming language for you. So a kind of a scripting language, the client-side scripting language, but in that you have to write the programs. But for your programs you need the variables, you need to do some manipulations on the variables, like you have some loops, if it's conditions. I think you will be familiar with them if you know already the programming languages. But if you don't know, then also we'll going to start from the scratch. So let's see what is a variable. A variable is a sort of a container that contains different type of data like string or number or someone's name, address or someone's phone number or like any kind of data it will keep. So variable is nothing but a container. So like this you can declare the variables. This is called as the declaration of the variable, var and name. That's it. I'll tell you the example for it. So your variables, they should come under the script tag only. Let's close it, and yes, you have to write the type and then JavaScript language and then JavaScript. So over here let's declare a variable name. So this is the declaration only when you are just writing the name of the variable. That's it. After that, if you write like Lily in double quotes, because your strings should be in double quotes. Like Lily is a string. It is the string, that means a combination of characters. So a character or a combination of characters should be included in double quotes. That is the convention and everyone has to follow it. So now if you write only var name, that means it is the declaration of a variable. But if you write var name equal to Lily, that means you are initializing this variable with the data. So like this you can declare the variable and you can initialize them. And it's like if you want to display them, so far we have seen only the hello word written over there. So I'll write, instead of writing Lily, I'm writing the name variable over here. So just save it, and if I just start it, so now you can see the Lily, but we have passed the name in this, the variable name, and it is automatically referred to the Lily. That means the data that is stored in that variable. So this way you can just declare the variables and you can display them. So now you can also declare the integers, like for the numbers, what you will do, you won't put them in single quotes or double quotes. You can directly write them, like 25 I'll write over here. So I want to put the supposingly I want to print age of Lily is 25, and I don't want to put the Lily and 25 over there. I just want to use the variables. So what I'll write, age of like this. Whatever the string that you want to display as it is, that you will put in the double quotes, and the variable names, they'll come like the names over here. And this plus sign is basically used to concatenate your string portion and the variable name. So if you just save it and refresh it, you can see that age of Lily is, so there is no space between this. Should put a space over here and save it. Now you can see this age of Lily is 25. So like this you can put the name also and like variable. This way you declare the variables. But sometimes it's like we do not want to declare them in separate lines. You can declare them and initialize them in the same line. So when you save it and you refresh it, you can see the output is the same over here. Another thing we have is the variable scope. Variable scope means that at whichever place, like at what places you can use the variables. This it will be more clear to you when you go for the functions, but till now you can see that the global variables means that the variables that can be used anywhere in the JavaScript code, but the local variables, they are defined in a function and they can be used within a function only. This we'll cover up in the function section. Another thing is the variable names. Like what are the type of the names that you can give to a variable. First thing, variable name should only start with an alphabet or underscore, like this, name and underscore age. It should not start with a number. Another thing, variable names are case sensitive, whether like if you write name over here and just save it, capital N, so it will be different with small. So your JavaScript variables are case sensitive. Another thing is there are some reserved keywords that cannot be used for variable names. Like you have document, you have write, var. These are the reserved keywords. You cannot use them with the variable names. This is the list of reserved names: abstract, boolean, break, byte, case, catch, char, class, constant, etc. So these are the reserved names that you cannot use as the variable names. Thanks and have a nice day.